Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about a topic that is being highly requested by the viewers. What women like. In men, what I observe, and I've gathered some insights, did some research to share with you guys today. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 1. Confidence. Confidence is an attractive quality in both men and women. It's important to note that there is a difference between confidence and arrogance. Confidence is having faith in your abilities and decisions, while arrogance is having exaggerated sense of self-importance. Women like men who are confident because it shows that they are sure of themselves and can handle any situation. Confidence can be demonstrated in various ways, such as maintaining eye contact, speaking clearly, and standing up for yourself and others. Number 2. Sense of humor. A good sense of humor can make men more likable and approachable. Women enjoy spending time with the men who can make them laugh and have a good time. Humor is subjective, and what one person finds funny another person may not. But generally speaking, a man who can make witty jokes, tell funny stories, or even just have a positive outlook on life can make seen more attractive. Number 3. Kindness. Kindness is an initial quality that many women appreciate in men. Someone who is kind and compassionate toward others shows that they care about people's well-being and are willing to help others. Acts of kindness can range from simple gestures such as holding the door open or offering to carry something heavy, to more significant actions such as volunteering or donating to charity. Being kind also means treating others with respect and empathy. Number 4. Ambition. Having ambition and goal is an attractive quality because it shows that a man is motivated and has a purpose in life. Ambition can come in many forms, such as pursuing a career, starting a new business, or even working on personal projects. Having a passion and drive to succeed can be inspiring and attractive to women, as it shows that you have a vision for your future and are willing to work hard to achieve it. Number 5. Communication. Communication is a critical aspect of any relationship. Women appreciate men who are good listeners and can express themselves clearly. Effective communication means being able to express your thoughts and feeling in a way that is respectful and understanding. It also means being open to feedback and willing to work together to resolve conflict. While this may seem like an obvious point, it's still worth maintaining. Number 6. Hygiene and grooming. Good hygiene and grooming habits are essential to maintaining a healthy and attractive appearance. This includes taking regular shower, grooming facial hair, and keeping nails clean and trimmed. It's also important to wear clean and well-fitting clothes that are appropriate for the occasion. Good hygiene and grooming can help boost confidence and make a good first impression. So there you have it, folks, some qualities that women find attractive in men. Keep in mind that every woman is different and may have their own preferences. But overall, these are some general qualities that are often appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more content.